Hey Gearheads, thanks for tuning in. We got a special episode of Dan's Garage here. Couple of things going on. First of all, I want to thank you guys. I'm up to 490 subscribers, and I told you I'm doing a giveaway at 500. So this is going to be a video, just a little quick video to tell you what we're giving away, when we're giving it away, how we're giving it away, and how you can win. And I want to thank somebody very special at the end. So first of all, let's get to what we're giving away. So here it is, guys. It's a Central Pneumatic Professional two-piece automotive spray gun kit. Now, I can't use it because I'm not a professional. No, I'm just kidding. I just wanted to give it away to some lucky person. So let's open it up and check it out. So here it is, guys. Look at that. So you get two spray guns. There's a full-size gun and then like a touch-up gun or whatever that's called. It's got all the tools you need to service the guns, even has a toothbrush in case you want to brush your teeth. It's item number 94572. You can probably look it up online and find out the specs and everything like that. So that's it. I don't have any merch or stickers or anything like that to give away to have you guys promote my channel. So if you're watching this and you want to win, go ahead and like this, subscribe, and share it with your friends. That's pretty cool. So I hope one of you guys wants to win it. So here's what you got to do. First of all, you have to be subscribed because whenever I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to go ahead and just put up a video. It's not going to be one of my normal Saturday morning releases. It's not going to be a full episode. It's just going to be something like this, letting you know, hey, thank you for getting me to 500, and here's how you win. So you need to be subscribed to the channel, and you have to have notifications on with the bell because I don't know when that video is going to hit. So you want to be notified if you want to win. And then the easiest entry all you have to do is comment, I want to win. If you don't want to win, you can comment and say, congratulations on hitting 500 subscribers, or you can say, I love your purple beard, whatever you like. But if you want to win, comment in the comment section, I want to win. So what we're going to do is Ashley and I will take a deck of cards, and we'll go ahead and take however many comments we have that want to win, and we'll go ahead and shuffle them, and Ashley will go ahead and pick one. And then we'll go ahead and let you know who won. Now, it is open to US and Canada. I know we got some friends in Canada. Thank you guys for watching. So, yeah, I mean, wherever you are, I guess if it costs me a lot of money in shipping, it's worth it because, you know, somebody's going to get something pretty cool. So, the next thing I wanted to do is I wanted to let you know that I am at 490, and I'm releasing this video now because I really think I'm going to hit 500 quickly. And that's partially thanks to Robert's Garage here on YouTube. I've been watching him for a while now. He does some really cool stuff on his channel. If you like my channel, you definitely got to go check his channel out. I'll put it in the link description below. But he went ahead and put a post up on Facebook of a link to my YouTube channel. And I'm getting some pretty good traffic. So Robert's Garage, I really want to thank you guys out. And when I get to 500, I'm going to do a little bit of that sharing as well, like I did on my 100 subscriber video, just mentioning other channels that are like mine, that I like to help out other people, and we all kind of help each other out. So when I hit 500, I'll have a big list of a bunch of channels that I'm watching, so that way you guys can check them out as well. All right, well, that's pretty much it for now. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you hit that bell for notifications, so when that 500th video comes up, you have a chance to win. That's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.